Okay, here we want to differentiate the function y, which is equal to the natural log of e to the negative x plus x e to the negative x. So the first thing we can do is, before we start to take the derivative of this function, let's go ahead and simplify this. So this is the natural log of, we can factor out the e to the negative x. So it's e to the negative x, and then what would be left is 1 plus x. Okay, and then we can then take the natural log and expand this because it's now a product. So we have y, which is equal to the natural log of e to the negative x plus the natural log of 1 plus x. And so then what we can do is still simplify this. And so therefore y, well, if this base is e and that's e, then what's left is the exponent, which is negative x, plus the natural log of 1 plus x. Now we want to be able to take the derivative of this function. So we're going to find y prime. Well, the derivative of negative x is going to be negative 1 plus the derivative natural log of 1 plus x is going to be 1 over 1 plus x times the derivative of what's inside, which is going to be 1. So therefore, we can then have y prime, which is equal to negative 1 over 1, or in this case here, since we know that this 1 over here times 1 is going to give us 1. So we can find a common denominator between 1 and 1 plus x. So we have 1 plus x here and then 1 plus x here. So what do we need to multiply by the denominator? 1 to get 1 plus x. We're going to multiply that by 1 plus x. So we're going to take negative 1 and multiply that by 1 plus x. So if we distribute the negative 1, we get negative 1 minus x. Over here, we just need to multiply everything by 1. And so therefore, if we combine like terms, we have y prime. Well, we know that this negative 1 and that plus 1 is going to give us 0. So we have negative x over 1 plus x as the derivative of this function.